Does it make sense to take a loan out to invest your money? We're going to be talking about that question here today. So I hope you guys learned something and I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Now before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Right now we're doing a giveaway for an Xbox One. Now how you enter, it's super simple. Go down and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then like my Facebook page, Carter Farr. Now when you do that, I will know that you guys have entered and the winner will be announced shortly, so stay tuned. But let's jump into today's episode. I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you guys learned something. Let's go. Now, one of the most common questions that I get as a trader is, should I take a loan out to invest my money? Well, the short answer is no, but the more explained answer is still no. It's kind of a stupid thing, but there's different levels of investing that you might need to understand if you're going to take a loan out to invest. Now, the word invest is kind of like a very broad word. You can invest in yourself, you can invest in pretty much anything. Really, to take a loan out to invest your money is kind of like the short way to do something. Now, you can take a loan out to start a business. Now, that's a completely different thing to do, because you're investing in pretty much yourself and your goals and everything like that. Now, starting a business, it may seem a lot easier to take a loan out. Now, in that case, it might make more financial sense to do that. But if that's, say you're gonna take out money, you're gonna take out a loan with a bank, you're gonna take out a trading loan to trade or invest in just, let's say, the stock market. That is a terrible thing to do. Now let's talk about some numbers so you guys understand it. Now if let's say you take out a $10,000 loan, the lowest amount of interest you're gonna get charged is probably 4%. Now that's if you have excellent credit history, and excellent payment. Now 4% is crazy. That is a very large number, especially when it comes to trading the stock market. So if let's say you have an annual return of, let's say, 12%, you're only going to be profiting 8% because you're going to have this 4% fee that's going to knock out, $400 out of a $10,000 loan, and that's going to be ridiculous. Now if let's say you have terrible credit, you're most likely going to get a loan for $10,000 at 10%. Now 10% is still amazing. My credit card is 26% and I have a 720 credit score, so it doesn't make sense. If that's, say, your interest is 10% on $10,000 throughout the whole year, you're gonna be paying $1,000 strictly on interest. Obviously, if you have more money, you're gonna be spending more money to get that money on interest, and I just think it's a terrible thing to do. Just because you have more money doesn't mean you're going to be able to trade better. I want you guys to drill that in your head, to drill it, because when I first started out trading, I thought I needed, $10,000, and I thought I needed, the best software and everything like that, instead of, putting, let's say, $2,000 into an account, and then another $1,000 in the best software. So now you still have $2,000 to trade with, and you still have the best scanners, and you slowly build up your account. I think a lot more people should try to build up their account rather than just to put like $10,000 in your account. Does not make sense to me. Now, obviously, if you have $10,000, what I would recommend doing is invest in education. Investing in education, especially for trading, is by far the best thing you can do. I have probably hundreds of trading books that I constantly read. I listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, because I'm trying to be one step ahead of my enemy at all time. Because my enemy is honestly you guys, the traders that are out there listening to me. Because we're going to be fighting for orders. We're going to be fighting to get our orders filled, to sell our orders. We're going to be fighting all the time. There's been multiple times where I've been trying to get shares of a company, and I look in the group chat and I see people have already gotten those shares and I just can't get an order filled. So stuff like that's really irritating, but at the same time, they beat me. They beat me that round, but I know long term, if I'm always learning and I'm always doing the best, that I'll always come out on top. Invest in education. That's the very first thing you guys should do. Now, during your education process, you guys should be putting money aside for your account, because you're gonna wanna take 6 months to a year just to learn trading. Take classes, take courses, read books, watch YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, everything that you can possibly learn, you're gonna wanna learn. Now, during that 12-month, 6-month time, put some money away, 100, 200 bucks a month, 100 bucks a week if you can do that. So by the time you're ready to trade, you can actually have, $3,000, $2,000, and then you guys can purchase a good scanner like Trade Ideas, and you're not gonna feel like it's damaging the bank because you've been putting money away for this. Don't take the easy way out. Don't go and get a credit card and, put that money in stocks. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Now, if you guys are a world-class trader who does 30% per year, you don't hear about any stories where somebody takes out a credit card and they build up their account using a credit card. It just doesn't make sense. So do some side hustles. I don't care if you guys are cutting grass, shoveling snow, if you guys are raking leaves, go out and try to make some side money, and then you can put that away as well for your trading account. So just to recap this video, do not take out a loan to invest in the stock market. Now, you can take out a loan to invest in your business and to kind of grow yourself. I think if, let's say, you're starting a company and you need some capital, I think capital is one of the most important things that you need, especially starting out, because you're gonna wanna get a nice place with a good location. You're gonna have to buy signs, you're gonna have to probably hire a receptionist, you're gonna have to try to do a variety of things, and you're gonna need some money up front. And if you don't have it, either save or take out a smaller loan that you can pay off within like 2 or 3 years. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you did, drop a subscribe down below. Also, don't forget about the Xbox One giveaway. You guys know how to enter down below. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care, peace out, and have a good rest of your week. Bam!